Nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy is a powerful analytical technique allows the molecular structure of a material to be analyzed by observing and measuring the interaction of nuclear spins when it is placed in a powerful magnetic field. The source of energy in NMR is radio waves which have long wavelengths and thus low energy and frequency. From structure elucidation and verification to monitoring of reactions, organic chemistry cannot be imagined without this powerful analytical method. A significant proportion of biological research using NMR is also focused on the structure and interaction between protein molecules. In addition, observation of hydrogen, carbon, fluorine, and phosphorus, it can be used on a large number of other elements also. This is the 400 MHz NMR spectrometer. This NMR provides detailed information about molecular structure of any organic, inorganic, biological compounds and allows the direct observation of ongoing chemical reactions. The main part of the NMR spectrometer is the magnet, the console, the autosampler and the workstation. So to run the NMR, we need one NMR sample preparation, and for that we need particular NMR tube. This is the NMR tube, and we put here requisite amount of sample, and we are going to run one H NMR, that is proton NMR. Now we are going to put here solution that will be the deuterated solvent to make the sample preparation. We are using for this sample chloroform, that is deuterated chloroform, nearly about 1 ml to solubilize the sample. Now we have prepared the sample. This is used in a sample solvent. It is nearly 1 ml for proton NMR. This is the spinner. Now we will put the NMR tube in this spinner and release slowly. And this is the sample height measurement. So we will measure here accordingly. By pressing the sample, and there is a height measurement is there, and you see it is plus point. So we have to keep sample height like that, and it will be stuck to the spinner. Now the sample is ready for taking NMR, proton NMR, and we are giving particular number for in autosampler for taking proton NMR sample. Now we will put the sample information on this workstation for running the proton NMR. Now we are going to give the command for sample loading. This is the auto sampler, and we put our sample in the position 11. Now it will automatically take the sample and put in the NMR. Now the sample will go inside to the NMR spectrometer. We will give the sample details and other commands for running proton NMR. You have seen the spectrum is running on. Now it is gradient scene is been going on. You see. And it takes around nearly 2 minutes to complete the proton NMR. this is our final proton NMR spectra that we have analyzed. This is our proton NMR spectra that we have taken print with different integration value, as well as we see the splitting of different peaks, where this is aliphatic and aromatic region with peak values. So this is the final proton NMR spectra.